Are you ready to explore the fascinating world of NAD+ research? This small molecule is revolutionizing cellular health. Groundbreaking studies are showing how boosting NAD+ levels can enhance vitality and reduce age-related diseases. Nicotinamide Adenine Dinucleotide, or NAD+, is vital for energy production and cellular repair. Think of NAD+ as a little helper in every cell of your body. It ensures all cellular activities operate smoothly. NAD+ consists of two nucleotides connected by phosphate groups. One has an adenine base, while the other has a nicotinamide base. This structure is essential for its functions. NAD+ plays a crucial role in two main areas: energy production and cellular repair. It helps produce ATP, the energy currency of your cells. It also assists in repairing damaged DNA, keeping your cells healthy as you age. As we age, NAD+ levels decrease, which is linked to various age-related diseases. Therefore, maintaining optimal NAD+ levels is vital for cellular health. NAD+ is indispensable in processes like glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation, key components of cellular metabolism. In glycolysis, NAD+ accepts electrons, converting to NADH. This process happens in the Krebs cycle, producing ATP essential for energy. The connection between NAD+ and metabolism is symbiotic. While NAD+ generates energy, metabolic processes help keep NAD+ levels stable. A disruption can lead to energy deficits. Aging causes DNA damage, but NAD+ is crucial for its repair. It activates enzymes like PARP and sirtuins, which manage DNA repair and cellular stress responses. This support enhances cellular longevity. To boost NAD+ levels, consider your diet. Foods rich in niacin, tryptophan, and nicotinamide riboside can help. Supplements like nicotinamide riboside and nicotinamide mononucleotide are promising options. Regular exercise and fasting also increase NAD+ levels. Recent NAD+ research is exciting. Clinical trials show NAD+ boosting supplements improve mitochondrial function and muscle performance. Animal studies suggest these supplements may extend lifespan and prevent diseases like Alzheimer's. However, there are potential downsides. High doses can lead to side effects like gastrointestinal issues and liver toxicity. Oversupplementing can disrupt cellular function, so it's crucial to follow recommended dosages. With ongoing research, NAD+ has practical applications in sports, anti-aging, and disease management. Athletes benefit from enhanced performance and recovery. In conclusion, NAD+ is key to cellular health. It plays roles in energy production and DNA repair. By boosting NAD+ levels through nutrition, supplements, and exercise, you can positively impact your health. The future of NAD+ therapy is bright, paving the way for innovative health options. So why not start paying attention to your NAD+ levels today? Your cells will thank you.